Hey NOFA friends, it's Missy from Drift Farmstead. I'm out here in the courtyard with the goats and the sheep. They are just patiently waiting for the grass to grow taller. We're still feeding them their round bales until we get 6 to 8 inches. As we transition the animals to pasture, we're busy working the fence line, making sure that everything is connected and up and running so that they stay where they belong. So we're working on taking trees down that fell on fence lines over the winter, reconnecting things, and preparing for the upcoming weeks.